Hey peeps! Today we're going to take a look at question number 2 for reading nonfiction. Now think to yourself, have you ever been reading or watching something and found yourself saying just one thing? I don't get it. Happens to all of us, but here's the thing. This statement leaves us at a dead end. To help us think outside the box and really learn, we should instead ask a question. What did the author think I already knew? This question opens doors for us and leads us to things that we need to figure out ourselves. In asking this question, we're led right to the problem, which then sets us up to find a solution that works for us. Now, it's important to note common problems we face when reading nonfiction. Sometimes we run into tough vocabulary, have problems visualizing ideas or concepts, don't have enough prior knowledge, or don't really understand the sequence or relationship between events. We'll come across these problems at different times, or some more than the others. But these problems shouldn't stress us out too much, because for every problem, there's a solution! Woo! For example, when you come across tough vocabulary, look up the definition with a dictionary or internet, or use context clues. Luckily, we have a lot of information at our fingertips. If you have problems visualizing what the author's trying to describe, sketch it out on a piece of paper. This is really useful if you're a more visual learner. If you find you don't have enough prior knowledge to understand what's being described, do additional research that relates to the details that you don't know. You might find additional articles that relate to those specific things. And if you're having trouble sequencing ideas or events, reread the passage and look for keywords or phrases to help you better understand what's going on. And now, it's your turn. You'll need the article, something to write with, and your brain power. Read the article with today's question in mind, which is, what did the author think I already knew? Take note of any problems that you run into. It could be any of the ones we mentioned before, or something different. For your problem, find a solution that works for you. You can look it up, sketch it out, reread, use context clues, or anything else that you can think of. Once you've found a solution, write down the one that worked for you and what you found out from using it. Then, you'll be able to identify what you learned. Remember that our goal in reading nonfiction is to widen our view of the world around us. Happy reading!